Khuble Pi Baro Shigatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentah ke sengi Shillong. Rakhi Republic Day hakaling ki district ke Jylla. Badrat ketrok yap hasyen unongnya iko. Bad mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakam benya. Haka arpun riu terik Kyllalyngkot. Laraki ke sengi Republic Day ke banyo pesan senem. Hamadan paham seim nongpo. Haka bau sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla bak Presiden Tensong oleh kentiu ya kalama jong keri kum ukong san. Haka ni kesengi lepen ipat ba ya ki kali penriam internet lani kita blo ki bepen i ki jing tre jong kita nak terekam jong ke sorkar. La sam khos nam ru shikinong tre jong ke kot ke kya ki bela 3 minit halaki kam ki jam house nem arhajar arpulai. Haka parade Republic Day ke skul JNV yang bari ke lara ya ke buskit peningkong. Haka jing pen i tablo ke Fisheries Department ke lawan haka kerdan ke peningkong. Bad haka cultural program ke skul JNV yang bari ke layo biang ya ke kerdan ke peningkong haka ni ke sengi.
Contingent approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the 6th MLP Battalion Umran under the command of Armed Branch Sub-Inspector Shri M. Makri. Following the heels of the 6th MLP Battalion Umran and approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Boy Scouts under the command of Mr. Jason B. Knockling. Following closely we have the contingents from the Ripoy Guide under the command of Ms. Napi Banroy Shillong. Following the heels of the Ripoy Guide we have the Alpha English Higher Secondary School Boys Contingent under the command of Mr. Ben.
Patukan sama bat kiwe kiriu krau kari jongi. Ikan mau da cinggurom ya kiriu slur nat sipai di paramilitary force bat di kulit ki lapha ya laga cingim. Banyada ya kari disensyar jong kari bei jongi. Akan dikasden melala kejela kamat ya kesyong suk syong sengan. Wilayah sekmat pan perbet ya kicingi ya kejep kapu tapdeng kamelika Meghalaya batasam. Adin jong kicingi soy ya kaya mulia haulper arajar arkuar nak pendapat perbet ya kinriu teli kijaka ya kajia. Iangut ki menteri rangba kilai kendubian hau jumbang arajar arkulai dan sedang perbet ya kijaka jumut sahakin riu teli kiwipat kijaka kibadang sa. Datau ya ki regional committees nak benda kini kitan bat kila pelong ya kicilang bat kibor sorkar nasa ka sorkar katrang panora kecing suk jisngan ka Jylla bat sa sisin kala banjur baka goy banibren bat ka HNLC kat kum garbi sensyar pajba jong kari India bat ka kum gaji betil denti jong Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Ketenat Home Police kalau penklan ya kitiar donkam bat kijakasa jong kepilit agi district la kampen klan ru ya kitiar donkam jong fire emergency service dan sapender ru akapor babiang ya kejingtung ya kumbalai hajar teli kikam balai agat nat kulit. Mereka kalau pelaj pajba ru ya kastit anten kabarwai ya ro ya ke Jylla kinong sok snong bat ke kolsyor dan ke banjur ya kejing donkam jong kejingnya teli. ya kan tem lakau haki cektin balai itu haki jingit rekam katkum kami Megalastin language at ar hajar san haka jingjia ban sak nam haka history ya umat dur jong utirut sings in dan sakli perda haka kanriu turi kurumpang ar hajar ar pusau ada haka Bangladesh haka nik jingkli perda ya kamegala an samikat dah kakunhun bantri dah deputy chief minister bakun group ya ki menteri ki officer sarkar ki klik nong sencar snong ki reu sempang ki nong tem nong put ki khot jong ki seng bapet ya kabha kamiat upaj ba bat ki nong patai Khubor kami kala kalayo kakabu bansaki bat pediang ya kicingwan ju kijat ka benungkong jong ka presiden ka India ka Srimati Draupadi Murmu mentau penai Presiden Kalasi Bentah ki program hatura budget bat mau pelang agaba kalayo ban pli pada ya ka fifth Meghalaya Games bat yo ban ya kren bat kilong kwi na ki self help group ka presiden kalabu ru ki mau nongrim nak bentah ki project penroi baper kum ka Shillong pi kwi tura integrated and city complex bat ka village tourist accommodation kalau play Peit baru ia kasurok rongjeng mangsan adukri bat kasurong mairang rani godaun asra kasurkar kalau play ru ia keraj baban hatura ia kalau play daulat ke Jylla ucri paku cohan agak kan atrik Kyllalyngkot latei keraj baban nak jaka kabadon kumba ar pupra 0.1% ekar bat ka jinglut ka ar 10 tengka kane ka ying ulat kane ka jing pun ulong ya ka jing anmut ke Lem jogi Peit ba karilung garu dah kabar penyahap bat kitong jong menteri rambak lu bat ban penggeladur kemai yakin dia sakayo kapot kebasan triliun US dollar apa kasmen arajar usan kasorkan Meghalaya kelebu ya kitong barat bak ban kentiu ya kayo kapot jong Khuborjylla saka 10 bilion US dollar apa kasmen arajar akupra kabalong ru asya naga GDP jong Khuborjylla Bangkot siya kanikatong kasorkar kapalin krek kilat penloy nak menap borok kitnat batas tangwat ya kilat bay tingka ikam penloy isrok jing sam umbam boarding bat ID kilong usyabi roy kapar jong Khuborjylla kasorkar kabut kong bansna siya jan rus pak kilometer kisrok temai ban peniar kumbar reu hajar kilometer kisrok baladon lepa bat ban penikala yaki nyeu poin san kilometer kicingking ding siya kicingking mau akini kisan senem banwan ya kisnong bom nosrok an sapunya sok pat kisrok kibansyan aparok ki ayom apo KCM rural connectivity program abastang ya kejal jiban mission aksnem ar hajar kat kenai Meghalaya kadon tang kumbasaw hajar san spa san botuli di kor sampun mentang elak pentembiang umbam undi bakui capalat saw poin hiu lak kilong ying agelin ke Jylla kabalong hiu kuralai persen KBH pat ketong jong besar dia kejungot kalong ban penbiang ya poro enriu poin san lak kilong ying nong pendong daki kor lasnaru ya kaplan ban yada ya kumasaw hajar beli kitulong ban penek pensak yaki Wei na kitong bakbat kasorkar kolong ban penbiang ya ke boarding bom don jingtut siaparok kilong ying ha ke Jylla akabedai bat kini kakanul hydro electric project la pendep au nailar arajar rulai mental tei light pesawat beli ki substation ki bat mai bat sapra beli ki substation badon don lepa la penham apo ametla po distribution sector improvement project da kejingisan joka Asian development Menteri Kamru ia keribam distribution sector scheme dan kampen baha bat penbet renti ia berkom samboding bat penbiang ia keplating ka jongka kenat samboding Meghalaya la sandur ia keplan bat penyesok ia ke Shillong bat di Shillong city sibenta jongka plan lasna lai teliki serok temai iba penyesok ia kalum siap bat New Shillong mau bat ka Sauli bat kading pasok bat ka Shillong bypass Kenang berjejak sor ke bala keladur temai ke 6 penduk penjot ya kemariang dan sasdang ban penyiangat sispa teliki elektrik bos apa kasdem arajar apusan ban penduna ya kecingmi katren kali haki cakasor kasorkar kasdang lu ban penbaha ya kecaka teknyut amarten dan kaba penurkam dari advance bayu.
The first tableau before you is The tableau presented to you is the Department of PHE NAKA Division.
Hamaukerwat Southwest Khasi Hills Yakar Republic Day Larake Hamadan Nativity High Secondary School. Hakani Kasngi Menteri Keterat Revenue and Disaster Department jong Sorkar Meghalaya Ubakar men Shillong ulapan her ya kalama kari bat shim ya Rashtriya Salute jong Kinhon Parade kabakan thup naduk ki pulit ki NCC ki khna school hakarukam kabe isyong kun bat kabe itenat. Kinong tray Sorkar rengkat ki 4 billion bat ki khna school kilawan ban shimenta hakani gijing rakhe kemen ya kasngi senshar pat ba. Lapin syong shit syuk yakni kesngi daka cultural program kejing sam jing bam daka officers club mau kerwat syaki khun sweat jangka hope orphanage. Haka Republic Day parade na lor ki pulit Henry Utligi school kila shimbin talang daka jingrenti ba ithiang. Pratali kita nak terekam ke Sorkar kila penyap be deki tablo ki bala penriam hakirong ki rup ki ba ithiang.
Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force on January 26, 1950. The first contingent approaching the saluting dice is the police contingent of the Southwest Khasi Hills District Executive Force led by Hawaldar S. Pun. Give them a big round of applause.
The next in sequence we have the Maharam Government Higher Secondary School, Maukerwat, led by Shri Kitbatlang L. Marshallong. In sequence, we have the little.
Let us give them a big hand. The next contingent taking the salute is the Bharat Scouts and Guides of Nativity Higher Secondary School, Maukerwat, led by Sri Yaine Paryon.
Extend my heartfelt greetings to you on the momentous occasion of India's 75th Republic Day. On this auspicious day, we reaffirm our commitment to the ideals enshrined in our Constitution and pay solemn tribute to leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We also salute patriots from our own soil, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba, Patagon and Sangma, and other unsung heroes. We respectfully remember the martyrs from the armed force, paramilitary force, and police force who have laid down their lives in protecting the rule of law. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. We made significant progress in resolving the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, following the historic signing of a memorandum of understanding in March 2022 for 6 areas of difference. The process of survey has been initiated to demarcate the interstate boundary. The 2 chief ministers met again in May 2023 to initiate the process of resolving the dispute in the remaining 6 areas of difference. Regional committees have been formed to these areas and they have conducted meetings with their Assam counterparts. The government is committed to bring lasting peace to the state and once again reiterates that it is open to having talk with the HNLC within India's constitutional framework.
Hamairang East and West Khasi Hills District Laraki ka Nyopusan Republic Day kari India da kajingkmen hamadan dom maulum bendeng umyong hakaba kibriu kibanajan bat na jingai kilawan ban shimenta hakani kasngi bakraw jong kari barok kawai. Uba coming one Menteri Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, Home Civil Defence and Home Guard, Water Resources Corporation Department ulalong ukongsan. Ki opisarang ba ke district uba ji khan mauplang IAS Deputy Commissioner Superintendent of Police ba MBSM MPS kinong tre sorkar kinong sya khot ngobha ki riu pau kmat jong district ki school ki college ki lapen pho ye kini kesngi. Uba coming one ulapen her ye kalama lairong jong kari bat shimru ye ka rashtriya salute ha ka parade jong ki khat lai tli ki kenhon. Ya ka parade la shimenta de ki kenhon kenthup ye ki pulet NCC balapen I khan ru de ki khatway tli ki tablo jong ki tanat baper jong district. Lapen long ru ek jingile akai pen bernya bat ke jingsa mi ki khusnam shakinong job parade hakani kesngi.
Parade Commander UPSI Nelvin Roy Nongrum of East and West Khasi Hills District Executive Force now reports to our esteemed Chief Guest for inspection of the parade contingents.
Parade Commander, UPSI inspection के लिए हाजिर है शुरुआत.
Subhamani Shamra Baro. Parade contingents are led today by Parade Commander UPSI Norbert Roy Nangrum of the Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Havaldar Vanlal Kumar, Platoon Commander of Meghalaya Police. Flag bearer Eddie Lindo Maulong. Scouts and Guide Pendekuyong, Presbyterian Secondary School, Platoon Commander Ivan Saranongrang, Placard Bearer Jesseline Marbanyang, Flag Bearer Dairol Bilan Watley. Wantina Nongo. Placard bearer Jabel Jingkemen Shabong, flag bearer Ibas Yanti Marbanyang.
Kinong ilam kedor bar shnong griat samthia ringkat bagi Peit ba nong shong shnong Kyllalyngkot kesengi Republic Day ha keba uba bi lingdo urang ba shnong beminchwa ula penher ya kalama lairong jong keri India. Ha kini ke step ladon lang uba khar krang urang ba shnong ringkat kidekot jong ke executive committee bat ki Peit ba na kini ke shnong. Ka Republic Day man kesnem ka kersiu bat penrem ye kemensim A3 bat ie jan penriu hapadeng ki belin ki nong shong shnong keri India. Ka kong selbi pesa ka balapen mena bansha pen kop burom da ka kusnam Padma Shri kalapen shingan ye kani kesengi ka bakrau ha kani ke shnong. Ka jingyo jong kani ke riu krau ya kani ke nam ka burom kala kentiu ya ka jingsngau sarong ha ka long briu man briu Hariat samthia.
Try nong bu nong thau. U bala pala yangi bangi nyodan langkum ke sinong. Hagani ke jaka. Hagani ke por jong kani ke sengi. Ke sengi ke ba kerpang. Ke bangi ngatip kum ka Republic Day. Bat nga ai khublei na kaleng jong ke sinong ai khublei Republic Day pi baro. Lemba jong kani ke sengi hi baro koi. Te nakalyang jongga sinong simru igini kabu man keren ya kejing ai keren pediang kapeng jongpi te ka peningkong ni so kemen sibon ba nila bandan hapeng jongi iba Boston lingdo I balong ru irang ba sinong ibarim bat I balong ru kongsan hane ka program kejongi kebomenta ni pediang subhai pi ba Sekenika program kujongi. Bangi ai kublai yapi namenta kapor bapi pila pelat. Banyak dan lambat ni. Ke jingdon kujong pi kalong kejing singai yangi kum kesinong katau hi baro kawe. Tingi pedang subharu yai irang ba sinong ni jongi. Ibadah kejing alam pun lenti kujongi. Ni lala ban penolong yang ni program hagani ka step. Ni pedang subhai pi irang ba sinong hagani kapor. Te soturu bagidan ki nongkit kam jong sinong ki bamenshwa ki balapoi sikiwe pat ki sinong bat ki balalong ki nongkit kam lagi ki sinong kidan hapreng jongi na por te hapreng subha ye kitaru ki bala banyadan hapreng jongi agni ka step te hapreng subha ru ye ki nongkit kam jong sinong baro kat ki bala banyadan agni ka por banya pensingan lam ye agni ka program ki jongi agni ka step te nga ai ru ki jing preng subha ya ki Senggen Thai, ki Seng Samla, kat ki bala banyadan hang ni port, hang ni program kejongi. Te nga simru gini ka kabu. Ban piang subha ye bi baro ki nong saksunong. Nadu ki hep ki baret, ki Samla, ki Longkemi ki Longpa, ki Temen ki Kro. Kat ki bala banyadan hang ni port. Ni piang subha ye bi. Bar ka jingdan kejong pi hang ni port. Kapan pau ka mensim jong ke jinga trailang jong phi bat ngi kum ka sinong bat kani ka ai mensim ngi kum ka sinong Menteri Kikam Nagapur Syakapur. Di sisi yang priang subhai pi baro wir dan lang hagen ke program jungi hagen ke step.
Kebelis pun ba jona bat ka step ka ba kemen ni pi na pi bat ka kwan wish happy Republic Day. Wi nong snong wala ki don kitu badan sei lagi jong ki yeng ru. Kini ka sin ba army la pelong kena program ban ngatrai ngadi ban ai kublei ya ka seng samla bat kumju yu ka sports club ru ka ba Shimla ka benta jong ki bat benen ka kriat ni song yeng ni sliding ri bopli ki bon ka kaman penbiang penbit kini ka jaka hang ni. Gini ki baro ki program ki Jylla gini ki bante song ni ka snong jungi din kan mau but ngatrai matai ma bagadi ka portlang ngatrai bun ki mla ban yak ki na mar ba ka kriap lan dan rei ikmi lenti ba nang ni sakmadu ka bengi program ngi pelong kendan ka jing snok ti na snong na kaliang ka executive committee bun ki ngi persang menyele akani ka snong but ngasngo ba lada ki met trailang hi ka snong ibar kawai kan mentoi ru em kita ki jing perkhat ki jongi mencuai tangi bi nuksan dian maka last executive meeting ka bangi pelong ila rai kawai ka jingrai ka ba ngin persang mat pelong ni ka da samtia kawai ni ki dong ka ba khui tam ya lada ki be gila bande belingi ngimla ka song dang ka jingmon jingi be bi be nong snong nila bania ro ya ke jengkut jeng kibi dong ni nila ni ro ya ta jengkut jeng giri pareng ge ka pen long ba kan khanglat ni bengin le kata but kata ka jeng le jungi pat ka de kan sedang na jong na kan la ka jong ka yeng nang kong e but nila ra ru kumno ban le kata but kirang ba dong ki sa one man ki tliu yeng but kin do ki tra yeng ru kumno kin sedang man le khun na do na ka yeng la jong bakum ta ter tinga hagani ka jing persang ka jungi ngak kerpat ginong song snong bat khamtam ek tra yeng sobai snok ti lang mat ngi batru iwepi mi nong song snong lada trying is sim ka responsibility hala de balarang ya ka surok inde i badon ma bret pathar ka ne ta ye ni don ka hok mingin ong iti brief pet ka tu kam te ka kom le ang ni snong jungi songba bret akur kom dei Rang ile tang ataru tang mga dig responsibility ng sim kum nong song snong. But amar tatin la rangi pen million kum kita gurkom ilaban nang pen pernasyo ini snong jungi. But ang ni ngadon ng sorong ru ang ni mingidon ang ni I kong silbi pasa. But bang apa iga news biyo ikpat masri award. But kadiga wi nga award ba het tame yung ri India. Bat ngatrai benai April ngatrai ni sim sport Delhi por hapor Rashtrapati Bhavan. Por ngaso sarong adu kata por mga paiga news bagi penbenang tu ba ikong silbi pasa ibala yo itak award badi di basa por samtiat. Isnong barit ndrei iwi breu lala man put paunam ya snong jungi baroi. Ban ngamar tatin dang bun sigibi ru ibala kumta. Ibala paunam kini snong jungi. But darang itrei hi kum kibai mengini long lang kawai ngasngo ba ni dei banla ike gitu mu jongi
ara ba chnong badan buram di executive member jong ga da ba chnong hare samthia pat kum chu ginong kit kam barim jong da ba chnong ka samthia ban no bi gilong kme long pa pat ki khon samla ki khon ret jong ka chnong ka samthia ngai khublei si pun ne halor ka jing ai supha chung pi ya ka memento yang orang ba snong barim pat ai khublei sibun ya ka jing kan mau buram ka jong pi yang pat ka jing trai kam ka jong bat rangkat pat ka executive committee iba hapo jong ha ban wan ra pat ya ka jing bha ka jing miat ka jing song sangan hapo ka song ka thau bat kat bangila kat bangidon ka bor ban pen pha ya snong ra samthia ya ka ban teng pat da iram pa snong ba menta bat ka executive committee ba menta bat kiwe ki bahadin kublai sibun halorga ji ai burom ga jongki yanga badiga executive committee kabarem hagar halor ke cintri kam ga jongi ti khandiat ngan ai angka angka republic di bat ke history kabau wanra ya ga republic di haga negari India ka bayar ka jongi di ka republic di bat ka independence di republic di haga 18 tarik January bat ka independence di haga khasan tarik uru Agust kilong kisngi ki bakongsan haga ri India ka jongi kabangi dei ban rakhi man lagasnam ban kan mau yaki ai bara ban ha ka bang nang la pat ban yai kan mau bat yai peteng ya ikam ha ka bati negari India ka rau ka jungi kumba pen kan mau thi itin rakhe republic di kalong halal kanong rip ba ha kan gasni ba ha gasnam hat khandai spa sanpho January haga 18 tarik 8 tarik kam ya ke Constitution of India ya kaba wanra ya ke jinsin syar pajba kebarenti kaba Peit haga ri India ke jongi ke jinsin syar pajba kalong haga ba ya ke ri lasin syar da inong kit kam lagi nong mi khpan jong ke ri India apo gari India jongi ya ki balai tiet dagi pajpa kumban sepen kenal kei walau laban haga nugur kam lawan ra ya ki jinsin sha pajpa haga negari India ke jongi dei haga snam khat khandai spa saupun nyau abana akos khatsan tarik la ngirayo ya kata ke jinglai loit naga jinsin sha Norway naga United Kingdom but nadu khasan tarik u August khasan dai spa saupun yo hadu arsan tarik u January khasan dai spa san pho ya kari India jungi kari India balai lo jungi la tip kum ka Dominion of India but lasin sha ka kat kum ian ikan don ba ritisan syar jongka Government of India Act khat khandai spa laifusan ting idang dan kata keti syat te keti te bat kinong sin syar barim lari bilat ti yagari India jongi la sin syar da Governor General bat la yarab yu dagi minister yak batung da constituent assembly mar kadabar ba jongari India ta por la pendiai taga constituent assembly impat don parliament kumba kapalong di sinsa pa ti nakata ka daw ya garis rekom sinsar kampat long kaba bet kaba tikana ba but haga chu upor ya ke sinsar kumba ong dang dan ni ke dei bat kita gin bat ke soka pareng but ya kata ke sinsar ya ke di India la sinsar ko bana ta la yarap yu ta ki minister kibala tung dat constituent assembly but Governor General Banangkong du Lord Louis Mountbatten agari India balai luat but buat sau Chakrabarti Raja Kapalesari but kawai pat kebaar katau kebaar kalong ba apa bagi India kayo lai luat kalau yo yang cing lai luat but Tang bun ya kiri ki bentah hari India basin syar ki sim beper kumha South India ngi dan Maharaja Travancore Maharaja
Uba AL Hek Menteri Penroy ki kam Rijingri ula penheria kalama kari India bat ula shemye ka Rashtriya Salute ha ka parade balayalam de ki khna school ka JNV Mukhla Hamadan Jrisa Lane Jawai Hado arpo kinhon ki khna school ki Bharat Scouts and Guides ki Pertan Pulet bat NCC kila shimbenta ha ka parade Katbai ki tablos lepeni inam de ki khat santali ki tanak terekam jang sarkar ki Badan Hawes Janta Hills District Lai tali ki school ki layo ika busket na ka jing tibet jangki banyat rinti ha ka parade kita kilong ka JNV ka St. Mary's Mazarelo bat ka Chawai Government Boys High Secondary School. Ha ka jing peninam tablo kita nak ki balayo busket kilong ka District Horticulture, Commerce and Industry Center bat ka Soil and Water Conservation. La ai kusnam ru ika PHC sa asniang Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme bat ka Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Arogya Yojana ya ki jing bhajang ki la ki kam ki jam ki pulet ki balayo busket hakani ki sngi kilong havildar amplia sinna bat arki nikla na ka jing 3 minute jangki halaki kam ki jam ya kani ki sngi republic lapan phopen pieng de ki jing shat bat jing rwai babunjat ban pen kemen ni ki samla bat ki khnaret hakani kanong ba district Lapan kut ikini kesngi de kejingile kai football hamadan kiang nang ba la thalabo hapding kasaba muswang SC persha ek football academy of Meghalaya.
Citizens of Meghalaya, it gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartfelt greetings to you on the momentous occasions of India's 75th Republic Day. On this auspicious day, we reaffirm our commitment to the ideals enshrined in our constitutions and pay solemn tribute to the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We also salute the patriots from our own side, Uttirat Singh, Ukyang Nonga, Patogen and Sangma, and others unsung heroes. We respectfully remember the martyrs from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and police forces who have laid down their life in protecting the rules of law. During last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. We made significant in resolving the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. In historic development of life-size statue Uttirat Singh will be unveiled on 16 February 2024 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. A high-level delegation led by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and comprising of senior cabinet ministers, senior officials, traditional heads, academics, artists, civil society members, and journalists will be representing Meghalaya at the inaugurations. Meghalaya was honored to host the maiden visit of our Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Earlier in January, the Honorable President attended the civic receptions at Tura, Baljek and Moklang, during which she opened the 5th editions of the Meghalaya game and interacted with the members of the Women of Self-Help Group. The Honorable President has also laid a foundation stone for a number of crucial infrastructure projects like the Shillong Peak Ropeway, the Tura Integrated Administrative Complex, the village tourist accommodations. She also inaugurated a newly upgraded Rongjeng Mangsang Adogre Road and Mairang Rani Godown Ajara Road. The government operationalized the Rajbhan at Tura, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Babu Chauhan, on 12 January, situated within a sprawling of 28.45 acres plot and constructed at a cost of 24 crores rupees. The new Rajbhan is fulfillment the long-time aspirations of the people of Garo Hills. State GDP to achieve this government is preparing a growth strategies for all sectors and mobilizing investment. Infrastructure like roads, water supply, power and IT are going to be the key drivers of the growth in the states. The government envisions building 1,600 kilometers of new roads, upgrading close to 6,000 kilometers of existing roads, and converting 7.5 kilometers of timber bridges to the permanent bridges over the next 5 years. Unconnected inhabitations will also be connected with all weather roads under the CM Rural Connectivity Program. When the Jylla mission started in 2019, Meghalaya had fewer than 4,550 functional tap connections. Today, we have provided clean drinking water to more than 4.7 lakhs households across the states, a coverage of 73.2%, which is at the national level average. The target is also to cover 6.5 lakhs rural households with tap water connections at the earliest. A detailed plan to protect about 4,000 water sources is also being made to ensure the sustainability. Providing the uninterrupted power supply to every household in the state is among the top priorities of the government. To that end, the Kyllalyngkot Hydro project was completed in August 2023. Currently, 24 new state substations are being constructed and 48 existing substations are being renovated under the Meghalaya Power Distribution Sector Improvement Project. With the support of the Asian Development Bank, the revamped distribution sector scheme is also being implemented to improve the efficiency and financially sustainability of Meghalaya's power distribution system.
And the next contingent we have Jylla Higher Secondary School Juan with the commander Sri Premandus West. Give round of applause for Jylla Higher Secondary School by participants. Next we have HKC Khubor Secondary School Juan, commanded by Miss NEHU. Give round of applause for the contingent of education Khubor. Next contingent So huge round of applause for JLV School. Following their program, we have Kyllalyngkot Government Higher Secondary School Joint, commanded by Bosco. A huge round of applause for Kyllalyngkot Government Higher Secondary School. Next we have Government Boys Higher Secondary School Joint, commanded by Master Bosco. A huge round of applause for Government Boys Higher Secondary School. Now we have Bosco Higher Secondary School Joint, commanded by Master
After the Bosco High Secondary School Joint, we have the next contingent, that is the next tableau from the Office of the District Project Management Unit, DMPU SIS LLMP Joang.
Strategies, screening for TB. Testing of TB diagnosis with TB, NAAP, NAAP, treatment of TB, USTB or simple TB to 6 months, MDR TB 9 to 11 months, DR TB 18 months to 20 months. Prisoners who are well engaged and participated in physical training through bank account. District Prison Temporary Home Joint is giving physical training on the following trades: job, sections and carpentry sections. Instructions like living conditions, other activities of prisoners are taken care from time to time so as to improve prison conditions in the health system. Every rural household at 55 LPCD by 2024. The mission was launched by Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, in his independence speech on address was literally in the year 2019. So each round of applause is presented by the Office of the Executive Engineer in the Electrical Division. Next tableau presents approaching the eyes is presented by
Veterinarians are vaccinating dogs against rabies regularly. Rabies can be prevented but cannot be treated. 40% of people who are bitten by suspect rabid dogs are children under 15 years. The society is hopeful to train 1.2 lakhs youth in the next 5 years under the 3 domains of skilling, livelihood and entrepreneurship. This program has allowed people to access training in demand-driven sectors for which employment, etc. The third tableau approaching the dais is from the district district coordinator.
stored by the BBC as a whole. Well, digestists, we have more than 200 people training and producing about 7 metric tons of honey. However, this present production could not meet the market demand since already unique due to the presence of uniqueness, fluoride or beekeeping or apiculture. The scientific method of breeding leads for its conservation to protect high quality food, namely royal jelly and pollen, other products such as beepods, honey, venom, and propolis. Pollination is essential for the maintenance of plant life diversity, the survival of our ecosystem. These are the best pollinating agents that can pollinate about
Ketrok kebedon new number AS Not Iway MC Praiway Line Rio kelarat artliki kali kawai ke auto kebedon new number ML Shipau C kendai san pra bad dia ke eco van kebedon new number ML Shipau B pra not hadu ba unong nya ke eco layap hasyen bad unong nya ke auto lemen saujur kat ba unong nya jong ketika trok ulah her kerat hadu bamlap din trasyu. Kini kejengyak bajing mensau kelajah ke arpun riu terik Kyllalyngkot ha ke Shillong paham rio Peit district ha ke ba ke kali iko bat ke auto kadang yang harut surok ha ke jaka sat kali bat ketika trok ke bawan naneng ban hiar syagoti ke larat ikini ke arteli ki kali unongnya jong ke kali iko bakerteng anshu kumar arpos nem kerta ulayap hasyen kat ba unongnya jong ke auto ula mensau jur bat lakit no Shillong ban sumariu Kipulit na nongpo kilawan marmar sya kini kejaka ban tokit bat ban twet ya unongnya kani ketrok.
Yang kabangi yang ni regi dolang hane ngisai kali ngang asai ketika pick up dewan ketrok don ke aton nane nadian kawai kemarti ka iko kayang amat dewan ketrok kesunra amat badi dal ato te gibriung isusim nimpecu ya ka eta ba accident sipe yo briung isura abe cha hospital nimpecu kai ayo driver ngi phabat ban regi kemiyor ban yabat gaji jara apa sibaje mangko
Pada kini ki Khubor ngila poisyek bakut tak hadu banginde syambiang kublai shibon.
Pada itu ki Khubor ngila poisyek bakut tak hadu banginde syambiang kublai shibon.